You're watching Yankees Outdoor Adventures, inspiring you to go outdoors and find your adventure. A quick disclaimer, I am not affiliated with Coleman Company in any way. I did not receive this product in exchange for review or money. I'm doing this product to show you what's inside because I received it as a gift from my daughter. Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. This is going to be a quick product review for the Coleman tent repair kit. I'm going to give you a quick look at what's inside, so you know what you get if you purchase one. Come with instructions on how to use the products that they're sending. Let's see what they got. There is a sewing needle and some screen repair. It's like two different types of screen repair. Sewing needle. And two big patches. It's like taped tarps for the seam. It's made out of the tarp material, but it's tape for the seams in case you have a seam tear. And that's just a lighter color. It's the same thing. This is like the bottom tarp, and that's more like the tent material. And there's two of them. Seam repair, seam sealer. I already showed you the sewing needle. There are two spools of thread, black and white. There are 3 connectors for the fiberglass poles. And some guideline. As I pack this back up, allow me to throw a little bit of opinion in here real quick. The patches are definitely usable. I believe that is a good item to have in there. The screen repair, definitely a good item to have in a repair kit. Extra thread, of course, good idea. The seam sealer, definitely good to have in the kit. Instructions on how to use those things, well, sure. That's good to have in there. The metal sleeves. I've had a lot of failures when it comes to fiberglass poles. I've never had a metal sleeve failure, and I've never lost a metal sleeve. So I don't know how important these would be to have them in here, but okay, they're in here anyway. And guideline, doesn't look like there's a whole lot of it here, and I want you to follow the slide card at the top of the screen, and you'll see why I say that this much guideline in a Coleman repair kit is nowhere near enough. I hope you enjoyed that quick review. I hope it told you what you needed to know. Until our trails meet again, I hope all your adventures are awesome. Winishita for watching.